Yo, what's up guys, welcome to CodingBot. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Arduino IDE for your Windows computer. Before going to the video, make sure to subscribe for CodingBot and turn on the bell icon to get more updates in the future. Let's begin. This is the official website of Arduino. You can go to this website. I will put the link on the description, or else you can just Google like Arduino. By referring this website, you can learn so many things on Arduino. You can go to the community of Arduino and forums, Discord chats and documentations are here, some playgrounds are here, and so many things are here. You can refer this website to improve your Arduino knowledge. After going to this website, just click on the software button, then you can go to this page. By going to this page, you can see the latest version of Arduino for that date. Today's date is 2020 April 15, so you can see the latest version for now is 1.8.19. This may be changed according to the date, because here it is displaying the latest version, right? By click on these links, you can download the Arduino IDE latest version according to your operating system, Windows, Linux, maybe macOS. By going down, you can see there are links to go to the previous releases. The previous release before this one is 1.8.18. You can download any kind of a previous release by going to this page, right? I will put the link on the description. You can refer this link to coming to this page. In here you can see and you can check and you can download whatever the previous release of Arduino IDE matching for your Windows computer. I will scroll down. You can see Arduino 1.8.x. By going down, Arduino 1.6.3, and there are Arduino 0.1, 1.0.1, 1.0. There are so many latest version you can download. Also, Arduino is open source. You can contribute for the development of this Arduino IDE as well. I'm going to download Windows installer. I'm going to click on here. By clicking here, you can download the Windows installer to your downloaded directory. Now I'm going to go to my downloaded directory, shopping folder. This is downloaded exe file. This is a feature of Windows 11. I'm going to click on run. Then wait some seconds until the installation window is opening. Close these windows. Now you can see the we have to accept for the license agreement of Arduino. I will click on I agree and put tick on these 5 icons and select a destination folder. Install. Wait some seconds to install Arduino IDE for Windows. Make sure to give the internet connection for your computer while installation process as well. Then it is asking, would you like to install this device software? We are going to install that one as well. Click on install. Click on install again. It will ask several times, would you like to install this device software? You can read by referring this link as well. Click on install. Right, completed. Our Arduino setup installation is success. Now we can click on close. Now I'm going to open my Arduino IDE. Right, this is Arduino IDE 1.8.18. I think this tutorial was helpful to you. Then share this video to your batchmates and to your classmates. Make sure to subscribe for CodingBot as well. I will meet you soon in another video. Bye guys.